Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of McElroy's Quick Tutorials. My name is Sergio Arellano and I'm going to be talking about high pressure fusion or high pressure welding in the construction of HDPE pipelines. To do that, first I'm going to do a quick summary on what we do in the butt fusion process. When we butt fuse HDPE pipe, basically what we do is we melt the ends of the pipe and we let that heat travel in the walls of the pipe using a hot plate with a specific temperature. Then we remove that heater plate and push both ends of the pipe with certain pressure, and we let it cool down for a certain time under that pressure. So those times, pressures and temperatures are specified in the welding standards that you use. Here in Australia we use ISO 21307, which specifies that you can use any of these three procedures. You can use single low pressure, dual low pressure, and single high pressure. Most of the time we use single low pressure or single high pressure. We can do a more detailed presentation about welding standards later on, but in this case we're just gonna mention the advantages of the high pressure welding standards. It's a lot faster, it's a lot cleaner because you push out more material, getting rid of any possible contaminants, and it's a lot safer and reliable. As you can see, these are ranges with the tolerance, and the tolerance in the high pressure welding standard is 10 times bigger than the tolerance in the low pressure standard. So it's a lot easier to hit that range of pressures consistently every single time. Basically what that means is you can weld pipe a lot faster with better quality. We have an app that can simulate this very easily. If you want to show welding times for a specific length of pipeline. We're going to have two scenarios. One scenario using a McElroy machine. We're going to choose a Trackstar 900 using ISO 21307 single high pressure. This is going to be a 900 mil pipe, SZR11, so thick wall pipe. We're not going to worry about drag in these examples, and the machine in the other scenario is going to be a competitor's machine, which normally have a lot smaller pistons. We're going to use ISO 21307 single low interfacial pressure, 900 mil pipe, SZR11, and you're going to see these numbers change as we type in different parameters. We're going to assume we're welding 6 meter sticks of pipe, and it's going to be a 5 kilometer pipeline. And the only time we are going to assume is the setup time. That's the time it takes you to load the pipe in the machine, clamp it, clean it, face it, align the high-low, etc. All the time between weld to weld. We're going to assume we're going to work 8 hours a day for 7 days, 7 days a week. So 6 meter sticks of pipe. 15 minutes setup time for both scenarios, and you can see, so that's you can change these numbers depending on your specific conditions, but just for this example, we can see that we can weld this pipe in 120 days versus 209 days. So if you can tell your customer, look, we can do this pipeline in this time instead of that time, it's a huge advantage. Of course, as I said, if you want to customize one of these examples to your specific project, drop us an email or call us, give us a call, and we'll put together one of these simulations for you. So yeah, there you have it. difference between high pressure and low pressure fusion in HDPE pipelines. I hope you enjoyed this episode of McElroy's Quick Tutorials, and stay tuned for more.